Rainbow trouts. They're huge, Guaps. Hi, Guapo Love. Happy Monthsary to us.
Happy Monthsary.
We are here at Wilderness Zoo at Hayward, Wisconsin. We already pretty much tour everything here. So you can bring your family, your kids especially. They'd love to see the animals here. Lots of cool stuff to see here, like old American style. And mostly animals, of course. You can feed the animals and you can pet them. So that was pretty cool. We gotta go to that cafe gift shop. Alright, everybody. God bless.